guys, it's Scarlett Build Across, and we have had so many requests to add a cupcake or birthday cake to our attachment set. So today I'm going to show you how I paint this cupcake. I'm going in first with a color putty, and I'm painting the cupcake wrapper and also his hands. And then next I'm going to go in with the color cotton, and I'm going to paint the icing. And all these colors that I'm using are Dixie Belle chalk paint, and I just want you to know that you can buy everything you see here in this video on our website, buildacross.com. Once I'm done base coating, I'm going to let everything dry, and then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. And then I'm also going to go in, and I'm going to go in with a few different colors. I'll be using Peony, Pure Ocean, and Limeade, and I'm going to do little sprinkles on my cupcake. And I'll just do that by adding just a little dash here and there on my cupcake icing. And then I'll go in, and I'm doing this with the number 4 round. And then I'm going to go in and that same brush with some white paint, and I'm going to highlight my gnome's hands and also this cupcake wrapper. And after that, I'll be done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.